Hello guys, today I will quickly show you how to add status in Custom VICIdial theme. First, log into your Custom VICIdial admin panel. Now go to admin theme and open the campaign section. Select the campaign where you want to add status. Scroll down and find the dial status area. Here you can see add a status like new or others. To add a new status, click on add dial status. Now select the status from the drop down list and click add. Once the status is added, click submit or save at the bottom of the page. That's it. Your new status has been successfully added to the campaign. You can now use this status for call handling, reporting and agent disposition tracking. Thanks for watching.